Hey guys, it's Kat and welcome to Cat's Eye. I am 52 years old and I love makeup and skincare. And today we're going to be talking about an affordable skincare line that I've been using for the last several weeks and I can't wait to share it with you. But before we hop into it, don't forget to click like and subscribe. And remember, I upload every Sunday and Wednesday. And don't forget to hit that little notification bell so you know when I upload. Okay. Good Molecules. What is it? Everybody's been comparing it to The Ordinary. And as you know, I do love The Ordinary skincare products as well. But on a whim, I decided to order 3 products off the Beautylish website. And Beautylish is an amazing website where you can get any type of skincare or makeup, the newest things that are coming up and out. It's an amazing website and the customer service is fantastic. Anyway, I got a kit that is supposed to brighten and boost your skin, and we're going to jump right into it. As you know, I'm 52 years old and I do have normal to dry skin. However, I do have a great deal of hyperpigmentation and melasma through this area. Makeup can only cover up so much. So I decided to check out Good Molecules Brighten, Correct, and Boost Kit. It comes with 3 products, and the first product is the discoloration correcting serum. The second item is the daily brightening serum. And then what I thought was super interesting was the vitamin C booster powder. This kit retails for $29 for all 3 products. So the first product I want to talk to you about is the discoloration correcting serum. Now, with more mature skin, I do have that hyperpigmentation. This actually contains hyaluronic acid as well as tranexamic acid, or otherwise known as TXA. Now, tranexamic acid is actually used to treat blood clots in trauma wounds. I thought that was extremely fascinating. But the version that's used in this particular product is actually a derivative from the amino acid lysine. So it has been known to be a powerful brightening booster. So I was all about that. So what you do with this particular product, you go ahead and apply it in the morning as well as in the evening. And I'm going to show you a demonstration right now. After application, you do want to wait 30 seconds for it to be absorbed into your complexion. Now, the next product I want to talk to you about is the Daily Brightening Serum. This too also includes hyaluronic acid as well as beta-arbutin. These are fantastic ingredients for evening out your skin tone and leaving your skin very glowy. Same method. You apply it all over your face and then you tap it in and you wait 30 seconds for it to be absorbed. This is also gentle enough to use every morning as well as every evening. And I'll show you right here. And then the third final product you get with this booster kit is the vitamin C booster powder. Totally strange, I know, but you can actually use the little teaspoon that they give you, 1 little scoop, and you can add it to your serums or you can add it into your moisturizer. What you do is you take 1 little scoop of the booster powder and you mix it into your serum or your moisturizer until it has dissolved. Then you just apply your serum or your moisturizer like normal. Now, there is a little bit of tingling when you first apply it. Don't be scared. But that is completely normal and it should dissipate after continued use. Now, this is recommended to use only 3 times a week because it is very concentrated. But yeah, I'm going to show you how I did it right here. Now guys, this booster kit is not just good for old ladies like me. This actually helps with acne scars, discoloration, as well as sun damage. So if you're looking to brighten up your skin, I highly recommend this kit. Like I said, it retails for $29 and you get all 3 products. I have been really enjoying these products for the last several weeks and my husband actually said my skin looked better. So I think it's working. But as you see in the previous videos where I'm demonstrating, my hyperpigmentation is still there. So I'm going to continue to use these products, and I'll give you an update down the road. So I hope you enjoyed this review of Good Molecules Brighten, Correct, and Boost. And in my next upcoming video, I'm super excited. I'll be testing out a new primer, which is supposed to be amazing. So don't forget to click like and subscribe. And remember, I upload every Sunday and Wednesday. And mahal kita. I love you, and I'll see you soon. Bye.